Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss one very interesting topic, which is the middleware. So what is the middleware and why we need to use middleware? So middleware is basically to control the request and response, and we want to something check this is valid or not valid, and even we want to apply some message while anyone hitting the request and when we are hitting response. So request and response basically inside, this is a basically middle inside the request and response. We can check all things related to request and response and whatever you want. Suppose anyone want to log in, anyone want to register something, so this is the purpose to middleware. And here we have very interesting topics today, which is middleware. So let's start with middleware, how to work in middleware in Node.js. So one package in Node.js which is called Morgan. So how to install Morgan inside of your project? So here I'm inside of my project, which is the Node API, and here I'm going to install, which is the command basically npm I means install, and type here Morgan. So this will take little bit time, so don't need to worry about it. Once this is installed, maybe this is successfully installed inside in my machine. And now what we need to do, same kind of we need to like we have the Morgan package, and inside of the Morgan package I need to I need to use require, and here inside of the require we need to use package name, which is Morgan. Okay, so more sorry, I have written as a some mistake, which is package is name is Morgan. So once Morgan install, and when we are here declare as Morgan, so now here I need to use in after that before to method, which is the get. If anyone hitting in get method, so we need to apply it here. Okay, so I am going to inside of the which terminal which is running our Node project, and now I am going to here sorry, now I am going to inside of my machine which is the running, and here I am going to use app dot use method. We need to call whenever we want to use middleware method, we need to use always hit app dot use, which is use method, and inside of the use method I need to use here Morgan. Okay, Morgan, inside of the Morgan method I need to use development. Okay, so which is the dev will be called once anyone hitting the server. So let's start again. So I'm going to use npm run dev. Sorry, uh, not is dev, we have the server to is running my port. And let's start again. Look, we have the method is get and 3067304 and 65 milliseconds something. So this is message just because of the middleware. So if we are hitting get method directly, we are getting alert from this basically Morgan. So middleware applied successfully. Now what we need to do here, I'm going to create one custom module. So checking the inside the method we can also alert for whatever we want. So now I'm inside of the here I'm going to create as a constant variable, and in constant variable I'm going to put one method, my custom middleware. Okay, my custom middleware equal to, I am going to put here as a request and response we will get inside of the bracket, which is a request and response. Also request and response, one more method I want to next. Once the request and response will apply, we will forward for the next method. Okay, so now what we need to do here, I want to here console dot log. Inside the console dot log I am going to put middleware working. Okay, so sorry, middleware I need to put here middleware working. So next process for the next I'm going to put here next. So this method will call directly for the next process. So now how to use this particular middleware, which is I have created app dot use my custom middleware. Okay, so here we have created a custom middleware. So let's check this is working or not. I'm going to hit my URL. Yes, middleware working. Okay, so once I'm hitting, this is not working. When we hitting particular method, now this is working fine. So we can use whenever we want to use as a custom middleware. So we can also create the middleware. So hope so this is clear for you how to create custom module, custom middleware. So now this is working fine. Hope so you also can check in terminal, and also you can check everything is working fine. And also if you want to use this middleware to apply when your method is hitting, you can also use inside of the here, like this one also we can use. Okay, look, we get two methods, which is one, this one and this one. So this is working fine. Now now I just created to explain you how to custom middleware is working. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so let me remove this one. When we hit, and we are getting here here proper response, and so this is working fine. So next move on the next video, and I will explain you next video how to work in using controller I will create, and also explain you about the controller how to create. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.